I never imagined when I first started playing guitar, I'd be one of those guys playing rhythm guitar with my fingers. I was brought up in the pop rock genre where most everybody played the acoustic and electric guitars with a pick. Now, my favorite way to play rhythm guitar is with my thumb and my index finger. The main thing that changed is I learned how to use my thumb and index finger to make a good sound. Something that's crisp and clear, not the dull, fleshy sound that I imagined it would sound like just strumming with my thumb. Let me give you a quick demonstration of what it can sound like. That was a pop rock pattern used by bands like the Eagles. I used my nylon string guitar, but I could just as easily have used my steel string guitar. And I could play many styles of music with my thumb and my index finger, including pop, rock, jazz, country, blues, and even the Spanish flamenco style of guitar. Let me show you the basic technique, and then you can apply that to different patterns. I'm muting the strings in my left hand, and let's take a look at the right hand and focus on just the basic strumming technique. So the basic motion is I'm just going down, up, down, up. And that same motion is used for many patterns. It could be down, down, up, down, up, or down, up, mute, up, down, up, and so on. The trick is to not just strum with the flesh part of the thumb or the flesh part of the fingers. I'll strum with the flesh and you'll hear what it sounds like. It's not wrong, it's very soft and is less useful for a variety of strum patterns. But maybe for some soft jazz or folk, it could work. But we're going to do it differently. For the down strum, we're going to use the index finger on the outside, the nail portion. So we're going to strum down like that. Now, on the upstroke, we're going to use the thumb, but we're going to use the outside again, the nail portion. You can hear already it's crisper. It gets a little more of a bite. Down, up, down, and up. Yeah! Oh, I got all excited there. Now, like anything new, it's going to feel awkward at first. So you'll want to practice it, and little by little it'll get easier, smoother, and it'll become almost like second nature after a while. I'm going to give you a simple pattern to practice it with. We're going to start with no chord, and I'll show you the pattern. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Another way to say that is to count it out. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now the number is on the down and the end is on the up. So do this with me right now, nice and slow. I'll count. Ready? Hit it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're twisting your right hand a little bit and your elbow is making the down up motions. Let's try it with a chord. I'll make a G chord. Make any form that you want, including a single finger if you want to. Ready? Hit it. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now, once you start getting more comfortable with this, you'll be able to do things like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. And I know it's going to take a little bit of practice, but trust me, it's worth it. It's a technique you'll have under your belt for years and years, and you can have a lot of fun with it. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hey, you'll notice I did something a little bit different at the end there. You'll want to watch this next video right here, and I'll tell you more about that. Go ahead and watch the next video.